happy year of horse. May strength, clarity, and quiet joy accompany your steps. We live in a world unsettled by conflict and noise. Yet, within each of us live a steadier world, one shaped by faith, gentleness, and courage. These qualities grow when we return to four simple pillars: perspective, curiosity, resilience, and openness. We cannot command the winds of the world, but we can choose the direction of our inner selves. Pain and uncertainty will visit us. Let them come, but fill them with the honesty, then soften them with the compassion. In that softening, resilience is born. As you move into this new year, take one difficulty from your life and gently reframe it, not as a wound, but as a doorway. May your path through 2026 be guided by quiet strength, steady courage, and deep kindness that lives in your heart. If you like the full teaching materials and step-by-step guide, you are welcome to email me at philip.light@warchurch.com. Thank you for walking this path together. Bye-bye.